Hello! Hello, my shadow. Because I told you my monkey tool. I'll show you again. I'll show you many months ago. Hope you enjoy this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let's begin. Anyone now see my video and my tool and the coin in question? I'm doing now. My favorite smoker tool is Leatherman. I bought the Leatherman about $98 at Wal-Mart. Is Leatherman Wave. Very good smoker tool. Very good smoker tool on time ago. Until they would eat Leatherman 3 P2 4 series. I know to have some Leatherman 3 P4 or P2. Me had no Leatherman P2. Only got this one in my collection. I hope one day have Leatherman 3 P2. Then we do the review of that too. One thing is so expensive. I would rather have one before I do the review. I saw the review of this so many times. Well, hope one day to do the review on Leatherman 3 P2. That my dream monkey tool. That my dream monkey tool want to get. One hand opener. This one 2 hand opener. Great is 1 hand opener. Leatherman 3 series. All 1 hand opening. Called them banana in the thing here. And that kind of tool got replacing wire bit like this, but this one had no replacement wire color. Hope one day to get Leatherman 3 P2. Until then, keep hoping we get one. Good. P2 on it. Well, let's do that. One day to get Leatherman 3 P2. That would be a dream monkey tool. Be my Leatherman tool I'm using now on. Until now, I use different. I want to use, don't keep using this again. For take it with me anywhere. Very cool tool. This one is straight. This one is straight edge. I'll straight on this one. Before I do that one. Okay. The file that's starting this one goes for your thumbnail and dust. Other one diamond part. This one is sawed. One day I had a Leatherman 3 P2 for my collection. Cow, I love monkey tool. It's a really good handy tool in the cat. The can opener. Good open can. Flathead screwdriver. And straight edge. Good to do electronic and duct. Really good for that. Sitter, bitter, sitter, a sitter, starting it, do start. Get it. Some mostly tool got a bigger sitter like this. It's kind of mostly tool. This one is a pry bar, a pry dust, or you like a straight edge, flathead. Good, flathead driver. And get that out first. This one is one to tighten your screw on your glasses, and a tiny cast like micro screw tighter and stuff. We'll close it until your other feature. Inside here. Right here is medicine. How much do I see here? See that new? See that under here? That one, the medicine stuff. Like the own roller. The teeth, jaws, teeth here. Hold up wire cutter. Different handle with placing wire cutters. But number 3 had replacing wire cutters hanging on it. And good news about it, all one handles, including the blade, knife, including open it up too. Nice, number 3 is a little bit nice fire saw, like that. Leatherman 3, P2 and 4 do it. And that one is way better than this one. Got fire one handle to it. And you put your hand behind your back like this. Like that. But this one can't do it. It's good, but not good. Even the worst part of all, we had no seats come with it. We got this one, and my Wal-Mart had no seat like for this one. I need to go to the freaking place to buy one. That's stupid. Why did Wal-Mart get a seat for this thing? Only use this thing. That ain't a Leatherman. It's just a wet seat you got from my other night. Didn't that come with this? That's so stupid, right, guys? So stupid. The Wal-Mart that get you no leather help for your Leatherman Wave. You hate the Wal-Mart that get a Leatherman help for this. You hate the Wal-Mart to do that. Wal-Mart is not complaining about this. Why the Wal-Mart get no seat for this thing? I got other seats, but not this one. No way. But if we can get a Leatherman Wave, no plus. Leatherman Wave plus, it comes with a seat. Leatherman Wave the first one had no seat. So stupid, right guys? So stupid. And number 3, P2 and 4 come with a seat. You buy this one. No, buy this one. Buy the belt for the Leatherman Wave. Not one away, Leatherman 3. You get a Leatherman 3 that comes with a seat. This one that comes with a seat in Wal-Mart. That's so stupid. So stupid. I hope one day, and that way I never buy any more multi-tool at Wal-Mart ever again. Sorry, Wal-Mart. You can't plus and you that kind of seat and you need. I hate it. That was he why not buying like the Wal-Mart again? Cause like you nice they're not much into with it. Oh, most of them nice they got their stuff. Maybe the tenacious. Tenacious. Not a one bottle of that. And it had no many different kind of contrary color they get for the handle of the tenacious. Only come one color, flat D10, not orange, blue, green, any color D10. Only get F. Now on, I'm not buy any more nights in Wal-Mart. I'll buy like somewhere else now on. So then, I'll wait for a while to get more stuff. Why is the seat help not come with an Leatherman Wave? So stupid. So dumb. That way one day we get a Leatherman free with a seat. And I'd be happy with that. And I'd be happy with that. So happy. That all my time about my Leatherman Wave, where we got it, and why even I get a seat for it, and that all. Before I end this video, so I'll tell you one more thing. Right here. I love my sort of eagle. Beautiful. It's old, about 19-year-old. Beautiful old coin. I made me keep it for my weapon light and so all my friends. I love it. I love Silver Eagle. Really, really good coin. One of the most popular coin out there. Silver Eagle. One of the best. And watching usually in the front. YouTube on one fine. You gotta be trust. Year 2 bottom, about 19-year-old. 1 ounce fine shoulder, $1. Silver Eagle, now date in America. Really, really good coin. I love it. I think that all I'm talking about it. Wow. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friend. You are a really big fan of Leatherman Wave, and not buy any more tool at Wal-Mart Ever again until Wal-Mart probably get a seat for this Leatherman Wave there at Wal-Mart. And one day we get a Leatherman free. Key 2 or 4 in the future. Until then, I keep searching. Until then, I keep waiting. Oh, remember, stay nice, my friends. Stay frosted and keep questioning Leatherman tool and keep questioning Silver Eagle. See you next time. Sign off.